How to get unlimited traffic to any ClickBank affiliate link. Okay, I will be doing a total traffic review. This is a new product that is just about being launched at this point of time. Nella Fernandez from here, from Fitpreneurship. Okay, so let us see what this is all about. Okay, so total traffic, 15 free traffic methods to solve your list traffic generation problems forever. Okay, so this is what it says, okay, about total traffic. So let's have a look. Okay, like always, once you go through this review and you see if is it for you or whatever, then and you do decide to get it, if you do click on the link below, you would get these bonuses which I usually give for different products. Now these bonuses are specially designed to work with the software or the course or whatever in review. So these bonuses are going to work with total traffic. Okay, so first is total traffic. That will work with total traffic is Perfect the Art of Email Marketing. So this is a $97 value. So if you're going to get the traffic from total traffic using the strategies there, how are you going to market to that list? Okay, how you're going to build up an email list and how you're going to market to that. This bonus is going to help you out with that. Then building a buyers list, another bonus that's going to help you with getting buyers onto that list. Okay, right, $67 worth. Then a training course showing you how to build a funnel and set up an email list. Okay, so this is a $297 value bonus. Okay, then this is a $97 value bonus. Use storytelling to engage an audience and turn them into buyers. So now you're getting the traffic from total traffic, and how you're going to actually use that traffic to actually gain subscribers, gain an audience, gain sales, etc. Okay, so that's how that bonus is going to help you out with. And also free affiliate training course, which is a $367 value. Okay, so again, you're going to get traffic from total traffic, and how you're going to use that traffic. You can use it to promote affiliate links or affiliate courses. And I talked about ClickBank. Okay, so you can use it to promote ClickBank offers. So that is you can use all this traffic to promote that. Okay, promote ClickBank offers, etc. So all to all, if you get all these bonuses plus about a $2,000 value unannounced bonus package, altogether it works out to about $3,000, the whole bonus package, which I would give out if you do pick it up. Even the front end, we talk about the funnel as such, what all additional upsells are there or upgrades are there to the system. Okay, so total traffic. So let's have a look and see at the sales page. If you do click on any of these yellow buttons, you will be taken to this sales page. It is still being worked on, I think. Unlock the one thing every marketer needs: get total free traffic on demand. Now, saying on demand, I would not really agree with that word, because these traffic strategies, all the free traffic strategies, they are going to take time. Okay, it's not that you just start them off and tomorrow you're going to get traffic on going at full blast. But if you want traffic in that sense, you would have to go for paid traffic. But these strategies are all free traffic strategies, which definitely work. Obviously they have worked, that's why Dawu has put them here. Okay, so if you're looking for traffic that is fast, it's not out here. Okay, so then this course is not for you. But if you have time to spend and you're willing to spend that time, these traffic strategies will work for you. So there are 15 traffic strategies. We look at them. So this is by two of these guys. Okay, Dawu and Roberto. I hope I got their names right. Okay, and we'll have a look at total traffic also. So this is you get various bonuses also from okay, also some affiliate training, etc., reseller rights, etc. Okay, so also it has a 30-day money back guarantee. Okay. Hey, before we get any further, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notified when there's a new video out, and leave a comment. Okay, so let's see how it looks at in the members area. So in case you do pick up total traffic, this is what you'd get. Okay, so this is how it would be on total traffic. This is the back end. Okay, so what all is there in this? So you have the welcome videos, the overview of the total traffic, what you should be looking out for, then the main training. Now in this main training area, you have these 15 strategies plus some further training. So all the 15 strategies, you can see which one you want to opt in for, or a few you can opt in for. So in case you do decide to get them, you can run traffic through quite a few of these. You can run through almost all if you wish, but it's going to take time. So you can spend the time on few of them to get actual traffic to any offer, ClickBank offer, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or any other offers that you want to promote. Okay. Plus there are various other resources. I think this is on the upgrade. It's on one of the upgrades, the Brown Bear Bargains. This is access to all of Dawo's previous products. Okay. Okay, so all his previous products you'd get access to if you, I think it's an upgrade, it's the first upgrade if you do that, plus various conclusions, other bonuses, and if you want to upgrade. Okay, so an advertised bonus also is out there. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is what total traffic is all about. So like I said before, if you're going to spend time, if you have the time and you're going to spend it, you will see results from this product. Okay, or these traffic strategies. If you're looking for to buy this and tomorrow you're going to get traffic, it's not going to happen. So then this product is not for you. Okay, so these are 15 strategies that will work if you're going to spend time on it. Okay, so there are two things for traffic or any other thing in internet marketing to work. One is you spend time, or you spend money, or actually there's a third thing, you spend a mixture of them both, which most people will be doing who are successful. You will be spending time as well as money on the areas that matter. Okay, so if you do decide to pick up this product, and it is for you only if you are looking for if you're going to spend some time working at it, and these are strategies that are going to work and have worked for others. Okay, so that's total traffic in a nutshell for you guys. And again, let's look at the upsells and the funnel. Okay, so the start of funnel is 15 separate free traffic strategies. Okay, that's the front end, which is at $12.95. Then you will get the one-time offer, which is at $37. You get it for a downsell of $17 as well. Okay, all his previous products. Okay, so this is that Brown Bear's Bargains you get via this upsell. Okay, and this is one-time offer. Okay, then you get total traffic fix. Okay, so this is 25 of my own membership sites in the MMO niche. So this is okay, so this is another upsell. You'll have to have a look at and see if this is for you. Okay, and reseller rights. If you want to sell this off as your own product and get about 100% commissions basically throughout the funnel, you can avail of this upgrade. Then done for you campaigns, 3 campaigns done for you every week. Okay, so that's another upsell out here. So you can have see the price points also up there for each of these. Okay, and then if you want to launch a product with Dawo, so only 5 persons are there for that. It's only limited to 5 persons. So you can avail of this upgrade as such. Okay, a 30-day money back guarantee. So this is how this is what the funnel looks like. Okay, and the front end, even if you get this front end $12.95 dollars value course, even if you get the front end, you would get all my bonuses that I promised you. Okay, which is this perfect the art of email marketing, getting a buyers list, showing you how to build a funnel, then use storytelling to engage an audience, free affiliate course, and altogether the whole bonus package itself will be about $3,000 value with all some unannounced bonuses as well. So if you do decide to get it, you can click on the link below, and that will take you to this page, this bonus page. And if you do click these yellow buttons, will take you to the sales page where you can pick up the product. It's still not live as such as of now, but will be shortly. Okay, as of making this video, it's still not live, but it will be shortly. Now if you do pick it up, you would get a Warrior Plus receipt like this. The green button will show you or will give you access to the product, and the blue button will give you access to my bonuses. So that's how you can get all these bonuses along with these $3,000 value bonuses, over $3,000 value bonuses, along with the product. Okay, so guys, that's about total traffic. If you do decide to pick it up and you decide it's for you, you can click on the links below this video, and which will take you to this bonus page and then to the sales page. So all the best to your success, guys. Take care. If you like this video, you can leave a thumbs up, subscribe. There should be a button up there or down. Okay, so you can subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment, and yeah, hit the bell icon if you want to be notified about any upcoming videos, etc., etc. in the future. All the best, guys. Take care. To your success.